Good morning, students. Let's begin with our English class. Today we are going to start with the next lesson from our English Bal Bharati textbook, Unit 6, Lesson number 6, The Ant and the Pigeon. And do you know, this is a story. So you all like stories, is it not? You all love to listen to the stories, no? Chalo, then let's start. Okay, but then you have to sit straight. Yes? Very good. Now let's start with the story. This is the story of an ant. Okay, ant means what? Chiti. And the pigeon. Pigeon means what? Kabutar. Okay. Now, the pigeon is also called as dove. So in this story I am going to use the word dove. It means the same. It means pigeon only. Okay. So let's begin. So there was this ant, who was playing on a tree near the river bank. Okay, there were so many trees near a river. River bank means what? The land alongside of a river. River means what? River is नदी. नदी बोलते हैं हम हिंदी में. मराठी में भी नदी. आपण नदीच म्हणतो. So there is a land which is just besides the river, that is called as the river bank. नदी के बाजू में जो लैंड रहता है, जगह रहती है, उसको बोलते हैं रिवर बैंक. Okay, so there were so many trees there. And this ant, it was playing on that tree near the river bank. Suddenly, what happened? Its hands slipped. हाथ फिसल गया उसका. And where it fell? It fell down into the water. There was a river, no? So it fell into the water. And what happened? It was not knowing swimming. Okay, so suppose if you fall in the water and if you don't know how to swim, then what will you do? You will ask for help. How you will ask for help? Help, 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 मैं डूब रहा हूँ, है ना? So same way, and do you know what is the word for डूबना? मराठीमध्ये आपण बुडणार असं म्हणतो. बुडणार. हिंदी में we say डूबना. Okay, so what is the word in English? It is drown. What do we say? Drown. Correct. So the ant was crying for help. Help, help, help. I'm going to drown. Somebody help me. Somebody save me. So the ant was shouting for help. But now tell me, how big is an ant? मुंगी किती मोठी असते? चींटी बहुत छोटी होती है ना? So this ant was very tiny. So how big would be his voice? No, it had a very tiny voice. And could it be heard? अगर आप बहुत धीरे धीरे बोलेंगे, very slowly, very softly if you speak, will the others be able to hear? No. So this ant, it was so tiny and it had a tiny voice, and it, even though it was shouting for help, it could not be heard by anybody. And then what happened? There was a dove. Dove means what? I told you, no, dove is same as pigeon. Was sitting near a tree, sitting in a tree that overhung the water. What is the meaning of overhung? Overhung means just above the water. So this dove, this pigeon, he was sitting on a branch of a tree that was just above the water, and she saw that this ant was struggling. It was trying to get out of the water. What is the meaning of struggling? It was facing difficulty. Okay, it was trying very hard to come out of the water. It was struggling to come out of the water. And then she thought that I must help the ant, because if I don't help the ant, then it is going to drown. Drown means, what did I tell you? Yes, डूबना, डूब जाएगी ant. So what did the dove do? It nipped off a leaf. What is the meaning of nipped off? मतलब removed by squeezing tightly. अभी आप leaf कैसे निकालेंगे? उसको दबा के खींचते हैं. So same way, with its beak, the dove has a beak. It is a bird, so it has a beak. So it nibbed off, removed it by squeezing tightly of a leaf, and it let the leaf fall into the water. ठीक है? उसने वो तोड़ा और वो पानी में गिरने दिया. So now what happened? The ant, it got hold of that leaf, okay, and it climbed upon the leaf. Okay, तो वो क्या किया, एंट ने उसके क्लाइम्ड मीन्स व्हाट, चढ़ गया, लीफ के ऊपर चढ़ गया. ओके, सो इट वाज सेव्ड from drowning. Okay, because this leaf was floating on the water, तैर रहा था ऊपर, है ना. The leaf is very light, the ant is also very light, उसका वजन ज्यादा नहीं होता है, so it floats on the water. So the ant climbed on that leaf and the leaf floated up to the bank of the river. ठीक है, रास्ते में वो अपने लैंड की तरफ वो लीफ फ्लोट हुआ, and then the ant was saved. Then ant, whenever anybody helps you, what do you say? The ant was a very good mannered ant, you know. It said, thank you, kind dove, you have saved my life. Is it not? So the ant started, ant, what did it do? It thanked the dove. Okay, after this, after several days मतलब बहुत दिनों बाद, there was an hunter who came into the forest, came near this river bank. It was not a forest, no, there were many trees, but it was not a forest. So near the river bank he came very slowly, crept carefully up to the tree. Crept मतलब क्या, धीरे धीरे बिना आवाज किए. He crept carefully up to the tree. उसने देखा कि this dove, he always sits over here, so I'm going to, he thought that he is going to catch the dove. Okay, so this hunter, you know, he crept carefully up to the tree without making any noise, and he saw that the dove was again sitting in a tree, and the hunter aimed his arrow at the dove. ठीक है, वो bow और arrow लेके आया था, and उसने अपना bow और arrow से he took an aim लिया उसने कि अभी मैं ऐसे मारूंगा और ये डव गिर जाएगा, फिर मैं इसको लेके जाऊंगा. ओके, so the hunter aimed his arrow at the dove, and you know what happened? This was seen by the little ant. Okay, the same ant whose life had been saved by that dove. So what did the ant do? It went near its leg and it bit the hunter's leg. Okay, जोर से उसको काट दिया. चींटी ने क्या किया, एंट ने क्या किया? It bit the hunter's leg. Okay, then what happened? He cried out with pain. जोर से चिल्लाया. Oh my God, something bit me. You know, आपको अगर चींटी काटती है तो आपको दर्द होता है ना, and suddenly काटती है तो then करके चिल्लाया. And during the same time, what he was doing, he was taking an aim towards the dove. Okay, so उसका the aim was, he missed his aim, है ना. He could not kill the dove. The arrow could not go near the dove because the ant had bit him, and because of that he cried in pain, and he must have moved a bit, you know, अपना हाथ वो थोड़ा सा हिल गया होगा. So arrow did not reach the dove, it reached somewhere else, and when the dove heard the sound, the noise made by the hunter, the dove knew that there is a hunter and it immediately flew off. Okay, this now the voice actually it frightened the dove. Okay, and she flew off. Then the dove was also very courteous dove, very nice dove, well mannered. So it went and thanked the ant and said, thank you, kind ant, because of you my life was saved. Okay, so now what is the moral of the story? One good turn deserves another. Means what? If you help somebody, naturally the other person is also going to help you. So whenever it is possible, however it is possible, you should always help others. Okay, remember that if you help others, then others are definitely going to help you. Okay, you like the story? Very good. So that's all. The story is over. I'll upload a different video for reading and question answers classwork practice. Okay, chalo then. Bye. See you.